The first thing I did to revise my paper was fixing mistakes that were in the feedback, because those were probably simple mistakes that I just missed. And then I reread my paper again to see if there were any more mistakes that the feedback didn't catch. And then I had my roommate read the paper out loud to me to see if there were any poorly worded sentences that I should change that just sounded bad when read out loud. And then finally I reread the paper one more time to see if I missed any more grammar mistakes. Some things I could have done to improve the paper were fixing the mistakes in APA formatting, because I had some mistakes with the running head. I didn't capitalize, and then in text citations I put the first names of authors for one of them and missed a comma in the other one. And then in references I had the date retrieved, that I retrieved the source, which you're not supposed to have. Another thing I could have done is just tightened up my wording a little bit. Like, I could have used better words in some cases. Like, for example, I used like the phrase, "let's take a look at this paper," when I could have said like, "let's analyze this paper," or something better like that. Another thing I needed to work on and improve was my grammar. I had some mistakes in capitalization, like I forgot to capitalize Democratic National Convention. I had some problems with the tense I was using, like sometimes I'd switch in between past and present in a sentence, and that wouldn't be good. Some goals going into this next paper is probably to fix the mistakes I made in this one, so to get better at APA formatting. This was the first time I've used APA, so I should be better at it, and I'll go through and make sure there aren't many mistakes in this paper. Then I can tighten up wording by just taking my time when I'm writing and really thinking about what I write. Just like looking at every sentence basically and saying, is this how I want this sentence to be read? And then I can tighten up my grammar by using like the Writing Center and peers to review my paper instead of just me, because I may miss some mistakes that in my grammar that they could find. So yeah, I hope to improve in my next paper, and I thought this paper was overall pretty decent.